Welcome to Qingdao EJOY farming machinery.
We are a trusted provider of advanced animal husbandry equipment and comprehensive farm solutions.
As a 9-year Alibaba verified supplier, we specialize in automated farming systems and turnkey project construction. Our one-stop purchasing service integrates the latest global technologies to maximize your efficiency and profitability. With a highly professional technical team, EJOY delivers tailored design solutions and reliable after-sales support to safeguard your success. Our international footprint spans over 20 countries, including Indonesia, the Philippines, Nigeria, and Denmark. Renowned for our 100% on-time delivery and exceptional quality, we are dedicated to our core principle, treating others as we would like to be treated. We go the extra mile to ensure your farm business thrives. Partner with EJOY for long-term reliability and professional excellence.